What's in there?
Oh, there.
What'd you get?
Uh-oh. What is it?
Movies. Penguins.
What movie?
Is that Madagascar?
No way.
Whoa.
Now you're going to put your boots on? You got more presents to open. What's in that big one right there?
Oh my God! He brought me Santa Claus brought me green cars and this trap. Oh my God! Ow!
Actually, it was Grandpa Brian and Angie.
No!
Who are you yelling at now? Oh, does Daisy got the
Daisy's
paper?
trying to get the paper.
Oh, okay. We'll finish opening your present.
And you don't get the bag. I was trying to open it. Oh! Ow! Oh! I got the paper. Oh my God! Look at this. Oh! Oh, look at this one. Oh my God. Look at this car. It's Lightning McQueen's friend. Look at.
It's Lightning McQueen's friend?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, is that the Porsche?
Sally.
That's Sally. She's the town, whatever,
She's not down.
in the movie.
Oh my.
The good Lord.
Wow.
She's a town.
She's the town lawyer, huh?
Yeah.
Radiator
Look at a trap.
Can you look at the camera and say, thank you, Grandpa Brian, and thank you, Angie? Can you tell him thank you? Look at the camera. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Who got that for you?
Brian did. And Angie did.
Yeah.
Oh, ow. I'm going to pick this up. Look at
All right. Okay, say thank you, and I'm going to turn it off. Gavin.
Say bye.
Bye.
Hi, Dane. I can see you with the toy in the way. Hi, buddy.
Say thanks, Grandpa Brian and Angie.
I haven't opened my gifts yet, but I will when we get back.
This